friends and strangers on the internet. I'm Jen. I am a part-time reseller and a full-time mom, and my son is napping and my daughter's at daycare, so we're going to try and do a quick online shopping haul for clothes that I bought that I am reselling. We'll start with these. I bought these on Poshmark for myself, and alas, they do not fit me. I got them for a great price though, and it was during tax-free week in Florida, so I didn't have to pay tax on it, just shipping. And they're a pretty current style, so I'm hopeful that I can just make my money back on these. These are White House Black Market, size 2, high rise. I think this is called the Mariner style. They have these really cool detailed buttons on the front, pockets and belt loops, and then those same buttons are on the back belt loops too. And they're a wide leg, almost like a flare, really wide leg. They're so cute. They don't fit me, and I'm really sad about it. I almost kept them in case they do fit me someday. And you better believe that I now have a saved search on Poshmark for them. But regardless, I'm hopeful that I can just make my money back on these. Next, we'll do a ThredUp, a little mini ThredUp unboxing, because I did buy 3 things on ThredUp to resell. This is the Veronica Beard Fabian jacket. I did pay up for most of these, I'll say that, but I'm hoping that I can flip them really decently. The comps looked great on this. Like, I paid a little over $100 for it, and the comps were like $200, $250, and it's in pristine condition. It's a size 2. I might not have bought this, except there was another item on ThredUp that I really wanted for reselling, and I did not want to pay shipping. So I bought a few things that I was pretty confident in, so that I could at least keep my cost of goods down enough on the overall and avoid a shipping charge. This is a vintage 11Z's coat. It's a size 10. You can see what the tag looks like there. And it's really got this fun floral pattern on it. I think this is, let me see. I think this is, it's a cotton blend. And it's in great shape. There's no stains. It's a size 10, which is a great size. I paid, gosh, what did I pay? $35, I think. And I want to say the comps were in the like $150 range, which would be a good profit. This is the one that I wanted, that I added things to my cart to get free shipping on. This is an Anthropologie skirt. It's Corey Lynn Coulter. It's extra small. It's new with tags. And this is the winter fox skirt, which is like a unicorn piece. And I think I paid about $45 for this one. And the comps on that, because it's a rare piece and people are looking for it, the comps on that are over $100. So what else did I get? Oh, this dress is gorgeous, and if I was getting married again, I would totally wear this to like a bridal shower, or even a baby shower if I was having, well, if I was having any more kids, and if I was having a boy. This is the Hill House, the Ellie nap dress in a size small. It's a collector's edition. This is the tulle ribbon bow dress. It's selling on Poshmark right now for between $300 and $400. So I did have a saved search for this one, and I did pay like $150. So I'm hoping it's a fast flip and I get that money back, because I have made some bad buys when I've been trying to learn online sourcing. I really did appreciate that the seller sent it clearly straight from the dry cleaning. You know, it's got this nice hanger, garment bag. It was well shipped. It did have a small stain that I am going to disclose, because after my St. John fiasco, here it is. It's on one of the straps, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think the camera's picking it up. Take my word for it. But when I tied the bow, it's inside the loop of the bow. So I think the seller probably honestly did not even notice it. And I don't think that it should deter a sale. But yeah, after my St. John sweater fiasco with trying to get a stain out of clothing that probably shouldn't be washed the way I was washing it, I'm just really not gonna take any chances on that, and I'm just gonna disclose the stain and see what happens. I had to go back to my guest room for this one. This is another piece that I was hoping was gonna be for me because I do love it. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit. Anthropologie runs pretty large, and honestly, I would say that if you are a medium to a large, typically, this would probably fit you, but it's a small, and it's stunning. It's this beautiful teal color with these ruffles. It's a midi dress. It has, I don't know if the camera is catching this, but it's got this really delicate gold, silver kind of shimmer to it on all the ruffles. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, I got this for a pretty good price. I'd had it liked on Poshmark for a while, thinking about it for myself. And when it was tax-free week in Florida, I pulled the trigger on it. It has, let me see if I can even find this because they're so faint. It has these very, I think this is it. I'm not even sure in this light. These really tiny imperfections. The camera, there's no way the camera is going to pick this up. I can barely even see it. It has these really tiny imperfections, which the seller did disclose to me, and I decided to go ahead and buy it anyway because I really can't see them, and they're on the back, and they're kind of like hidden in this ruffle, even if you have that kind of eagle eye. And I figured most likely this would be an occasion that I'd be wearing it in, like, you know, like at a wedding, in a wedding reception room, which is not the brightest. No one's gonna see it. So this is another one, like, got it for a decent price. A profit would be nice, but I mostly just want to make my money back on it. It's a small, it's hand wash, it can be dry cleaned, but yeah, it's really a beautiful dress. Okay, I'm not taking out my ring light again for this, but I did remember one that I forgot to show you guys. So I bought this on Poshmark. It's Misa Los Angeles, and it's brand new with tags, retailed for $251. I paid $15 for this, and I think I bought it during tax-free week, so I only paid shipping, so my cost of goods was just over $20, and I think the comps were like $60 to $80 or something like that. It's an extra small, so it might sit for a little bit, but I felt like that was a very reasonable price to try and flip. And that's it. That's everything that I bought online this month. And I'm really trying to take a pause on that because we're buying a house, and online sourcing is a little pricier than thrift store sourcing a lot of the time. But that's it. I'll catch you guys next time my kids are sleeping. Bye.